Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. Today we've got something truly exciting to talk about. DJI is stirring up the camera world again, this time with what could be their first real leap into the 360 degrees camera game. Say hello to the rumored DJI Osmo 360. If the early leaks are to be believed, this new device might just redefine immersive video content. DJI has already set the standard in drones and action cams, but now they're apparently aiming to compete in a space dominated by names like Insta360 and Ricoh. The Osmo 360 is expected to carry forward all the things DJI does best: industry-leading stabilization, intelligent capture modes, and top-tier craftsmanship, while introducing new features designed specifically for the world of 360 degrees video. So, whether you're a travel vlogger, a creative storyteller, or just someone who loves cutting-edge camera tech, this is one device you'll want to keep your eye on. Stick around as we unpack all the exciting leaks and features of the DJI Osmo 360. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss the latest from Factic. The DJI Osmo 360 is rumored to be DJI's debut in the world of full-fledged 360 degrees cameras. And from everything we've seen so far, it could be something truly remarkable. The surge in immersive content, virtual tours, interactive video, and VR experiences makes this move by DJI seem not just smart but inevitable. From leaked visuals, the Osmo 360 appears to have a compact and streamlined design. It gives off strong Osmo Pocket and Action Series vibes, with a form factor that looks comfortable to hold and easy to pack for travel. Reports suggest it could include a small touchscreen on the side, offering quick access to settings and previewing your shots on the go. Plus, there's talk of a tough, weather-resistant build, perfect for creators who want to shoot in the great outdoors without worry. Now let's get into the camera's real magic: its imaging capabilities. It's expected to use a dual-lens setup with ultra-wide glass on both sides to stitch together full 360 degrees video and images seamlessly. Rumors are floating around about recording capabilities like 8K at 30 frames per second and 5.7K at 60 frames per second. If that's accurate, this camera could land right alongside the best in the category. Throw in an f/2.0 aperture and you're looking at promising low-light performance. Great for shooting in golden hour or even indoors without losing detail. DJI is also expected to bring their signature stabilization to this model through a hybrid system that combines physical gyros with intelligent software correction. Whether you're walking, biking, or on a wild outdoor adventure, your footage should remain butter smooth and shake-free. Smart features could be where the Osmo 360 really shines. One of the standout possibilities is 360 degrees subject tracking. Imagine capturing a subject and having the camera automatically follow them even as they move around the full field of view. Add to that time-lapse, hyperlapse, and motion-lapse modes, and you've got a powerhouse tool for storytelling. Another exciting feature in the rumor mill is the ability to export flat widescreen videos from the 360 degrees footage. That means you can film everything around you and decide later which angle you want to highlight. It opens up massive creative freedom, especially when you don't have the time or ability to plan every shot perfectly. Battery life also looks promising, with leaks hinting at around 2.5 hours of runtime. That's solid for a 360 degrees camera, especially paired with fast charging via USB-C. Whether you're on a shoot or just exploring, you'll be back up and running quickly if power runs low. On the software side, DJI's apps have always been reliable, and it's likely we'll see a refreshed DJI Mimo app tailored for the Osmo 360. Expect seamless editing, auto-stitching, color tools, and perhaps even full 4K live streaming in 360 degrees, which would be a dream for vloggers and event streamers alike. If everything we've seen so far proves true, the Osmo 360 could represent a major step forward, not just for DJI, but for the 360 camera market overall. And there you have it, the full scoop on what we know so far about the DJI Osmo 360. From immersive 8K video to intelligent tracking and top-notch stabilization, this camera might just shake up the 360 degrees world. With its sleek design, smart features, and trusted DJI engineering, It looks like a powerful new tool for creators who want to push their content further. We're definitely excited to see the final version and how it measures up against the current competition. Whether you're upgrading your gear or just starting out in immersive content, the Osmo 360 is one to keep on your radar. Thanks for tuning into Factic. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like and let us know what you think in the comments. Could DJI really dominate the 360 space? Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you stay in the loop with all the latest camera tech and gear guides. Until next time, keep filming, keep exploring, and stay creative with Factic. See you soon.